the moment you've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. That's enough. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh, look, here's it. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So this is the care kit that it came with, Hoshimi Slimes. Ooh. Now here, the actual, oh my gosh, look at that. That's so kawaii, and kawaii means cute.
Cool little notebook. Some glitter and some borax to put into the slime, and we have a little eye drop. And here's a snowflake sticker. There's even a dum dum lollipop. And then we have some instructions with the Hoshimi Slimes logo, and I can read it. It's a slime care card. Warning: adding too much activator will ruin your slime. Sticky or melted, slime activator. Empty the whole bag of borax powder into a bowl. These are just the instructions for how you would make the slime sticky a bit more satisfying to play with. Alright, now time to open the slime.
Oh my. Oh my god, I know these. Some of my friends in school, they have this where like it's kind of like a squishy, but like you just like poke it like stress. Oh my god, isn't that so kawaii? Look at that.
So cute. Use it and play with it like a stress ball. Stress reliever, so when you're very angry, you can go like and it's so fun and relaxing.
Look at that chubby cheeks coming out. Okay, so let's see. So this is cotton candy wool. Oh my god, look at that. Look how kawaii that is. Oh my god, that's so cool. It comes with a little stick. I'm gonna feel it. It's probably not gonna be, cause like you know on the instructions how they say like to add all this stuff, so then it's probably.
Ooh, look at this. Comes with the honey slime.
Oh my gosh! Look at that.
Ooh.
Little llama.
Beyond 90s. This is really cool. All the glitter stuff, and not just.
Let's get this party started.
Not just that, but we even have a UV light.
Ooh.
And you can put this into the slime and it will make it glow in the dark.
Okay, so I just got a bowl, so then now while we wait, I'll put this one in.
And I'll be opening the kitty cereal.
Oh my god, this is just so cute! Look at that little llama!
Aww. And here's the kitty cereal. Okay, so Catherine is going to set up the
cotton candy.
She's going to set up the cotton candy. While I'm going to read the slime care card, which will tell her the instructions to make this into a perfect slime, because that just looks like Play-Doh right now, but we want
Play-Doh, do-do, Play-Doh, do-do.
Care card. Warning: adding too much activator will ruin your slime. So yeah, do not put too much borax.
Oh my god.
Not too much. Sticky or melted slime activator. Empty the whole bag of borax powder into a bowl.
Oh, so into a separate bowl?
Yes, into a separate one. Okay, so first we're going to add the whole bag of borax, which is the slime activator. And she's gonna pour it into the bowl.
Looks like powder. Oh my god,
Yeah,
this is powder. Get it all out. Come on, push. Okay.
And now add 1 cup of warm water into the bowl with your borax powder. So we're going to be right back and get that.
Mm-hmm. We also have a placemat just in case, this happens. It's a shark tornado.
Sharknado. Okay, we can mix it up.
Oh my god, look at that.
Borax.
I love these slimes. So kawaii. Okay, so now let's see what it says.
So, mix well until all of the borax powder dissolves. We did that. Use dropper to add borax until it is no longer sticky or melted. So now, you use that dropper, put it into the...
Oh my god, it's so cool.
And then you put it into the slime. And then until it's not melted anymore.
Oh wait, Matthew, so how about you will go like this and then put it in while I start mixing it with my hands. So here, switch rolls. Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
Oopsie. It's okay.
It's okay.
Put it in.
Mix it a bit more. So I still see a bit of the powder.
Oh my god, I could smell this all day. It's so good.
Yeah. Come on, dissolve.
So soft whenever you stretch it.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh my god.
Cool, but definitely needs borax by the look of it.
Looks like spider web.
Yeah.
Charlotte's web.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
Drip. Drip, I'll mix it and then you keep doing that rotation. On it, yes. Let's put it in there. Let it all out. Yeah, come out. Magical powers. It's just it's so, oh my god. Now once you mix it, it turns a really pretty purple, and then you see lines of blue and pink, which I like that. Oh, yeah. Now what do you think? Oh wow, that's good. That's so good. I'm gonna play with it during the challenge. It's like oh,
it
fluffy
looks like
slime.
cotton candy.
I remember in the dialogue it said fluffy slime.
So does that feel good?
What is this
maybe
one called?
It's called Cotton Candy Cloud Wool.
Oh, and I just said it looked like cotton candy.
Yeah. But now, it's purple cotton candy now. Maybe 2 more drops? Yeah, 2 more drops is good.
That was a bad drop.
Gotta feel this. Oh my god. If you guys should buy this also.
It's kawaii?
Yes. Hoshimi Slimes. This is their logo. Little octopus.
I'm gonna try
Kawaii
to
octopus.
knead it for
Watch. You're gonna love it. I know, right?
So good. This feels so good.
So,
This is so satisfying.
I know.
Oh my god.
So while my brother's going to knead it, I'm gonna move on to the next one. So now we have, it says Neon 90s and Hoshimi Slimes, and it's gonna be, and it's called 90s Reflective. So let's start. I'm gonna start adding while my brother here is gonna keep kneading. Oh wow.
Yeah, it says even if your cloud slime feels stiff, play with it for a while to fluff it up so that it can do amazing drizzles. So yeah, kneading it is definitely beneficial.
Kneading is the key. Add the glitter.
Okay.
Now for the Kitty Loop cereal slime. Interesting. They make really interesting names for them. Now, time for the spoon to do its magic. Oh, this looks like, yeah, this is crunchy slime with like, you know, like the little foam balls in it to make it crunchy.
This is pretty crunchy too with all the little
Balls in.
yeah, little there's the foam balls, and then there's the little moons and stars. It's very cool. While she's doing that, I'm gonna do something that I think is really cool.
I just found a little Fruit Loop in here and in the slime, and I think there's probably more. So let's go treasure hunting. Oh, look, there's a purple one. Just gotta cover it. Life hack, just poke it, and ta-da. I love how these slimes are so realistic. Like, not like look, but like have stuff that's realistic. Like, you see how these, like how it comes with little fruit charms? That's so realistic. And I just love it.
Yeah, because it's kitty cereal, and then it kind of has it's kind of like strawberry milk, the pink stuff, and it has a bunch of little cereal.
Oh my god, I'm on a roll. I'm finding a lot. Hoshimi Slimes. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love Chipotle. I just found another one. And another one. And another one.
So here we have the next slime, the honey slime, and there's even a little bee inside it, so good idea.
Yes, doesn't the spoon help? Because like it's hard to like dig in there.
This is like real honey, it's really sticky. But once we get some borax in it, it will have a real slime feel.
Sting you.
Hi, I'm Winnie the Pooh.
Wow, I really like that stick because like it's good like to stir it
Yeah,
up.
it's really cool. It's an actual honey stick, and it can stir this up. All right, so now Catherine's gonna add some borax, and I can knead it.
See what chores can bring you? So good. Oh my god, this is so fluffy. Trust me, like look at the texture. You know you want this. Look.
Thanks for watching.
Mwah.
And special shout out to Hoshimi Slimes.
Love that.
They're
So
really
good.
great.